So guys, I wanted to put bolts in and make a stand on the bolts, as you can see, and everything went wrong because these didn't drill straight, parallel, one to another. So change of plan, I'm going to use them, but I'm going to design it differently. Doing a little different design to what I've seen on YouTube, and that is to make a flat there covering that, make a flat there somewhere covering the side. So guys, to explain what happened up till now is I tried to put bolts here so it looks something different from what I've been making, but unfortunately I didn't drill it straight, and so it was crooked, so I had to do another game plan, which is this one here, and as you see, that's that. Now I'm trying to do different from what I've seen on YouTube here. Instead of having 4 holes, I'm going to try to do 3 holes here. So what I'm trying to do is, so I've got a flat there and I've got a flat there. Can you see that? So the flat is there, sorry, so I've got a flat there and I've got a flat there, but what happens, this flat is crossing over with that one there. So when it's like this, it should push it through there and block this one, and when it's like that, it should come back out through here and out through there. So I'm not sure if it's going to work, but you know, if it doesn't work, we'll go back to the original plan. That's it.